In this video, I will show you how to make these type of AI trending images for free. Open your browser and search for Bing AI Image Creator. Click on this one. Then click on Join and Create. You need to log in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have Microsoft account and want to create Microsoft account, check out I button for video. Simply type your prompt here to generate your specific image. After writing your prompt, click on Create. Click on Image to preview. If you want to download these pictures, you can download one by one from here.